Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. We will study the verb sha'a. He willed. He wanted. Before we move ahead, let us remind ourselves about weak letters. They are waw, ya, alif. Why are they called weak letters? Because a weak or a sick person makes similar sounds when in extreme pain. Oo, ee, ah. And if we have a weak letter in a fi'l, then such a fi'l is called weak verb. Like wahaba, wa'ada, qala. And remember two things about weak verbs. First of all, these three-letter weak verbs like wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada, da'a, they are of three letters, so they follow one of these styles. Fataha, nasara, fataha yaftahu, nasara yansuru, daraba yadribu, sami'a yasma'u. So it's very easy. And weak letters get tired, they disappear or exchange with one another. So we have qala yaqulu. So we have alif becoming wa here, zada yazidu. Alif become ya here. Or they disappear like wahaba yahabu, and so on. And all these changes are there to make it easy for us to say these verbs. Alhamdulillah, we have learned sound verbs in our first course and weak verbs so far, and also verbs with repeated letters. What are sound verbs? How do you remember the sound verbs? If you open the Quran, fataha, these are the basic styles of sound verbs. Like fataha is first style, fataha yaftahu, and the other verbs are like follow those patterns like ja'ala yaj'alu, fa'ala yaf'alu, and so on. Similarly, nasara yansuru is another style. So we have kafara yakfuru, abada ya'budu, khalaqa yakhluqu, and so on. The third style is daraba yadribu, and we have zalama yadlimu, another verbs following that style. And sami'a yasma'u is the fourth style. We have alima ya'lamu, amila ya'malu, and so on. So many. So these are sound verbs. And the four styles are for the sound verb styles. And the weak verbs are, there are many, but the basic ones are given here. Wahaba yahabu, following fataha style. Or wa'ada ya'idu, following daraba yadribu style. Or qala yaqulu, following nasara style. Or zada yazidu, following daraba yadribu style. Or da'a yad'u, nasara yansuru style. Hada yahdi, daraba yadribu style. Or dhanna yadhunnu, these are repeated letters. Dhanna yadhunnu, like nasara yansuru, or dalla yadillu, like daraba yadrib, and so on. And we encourage you to memorize the whole forms, all the forms of each of these verbs thoroughly. Verbs on these patterns occur in the Quran more than 2 times in every line of the Quran. Almost more than 18,000 times. So it's very, 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 very important. Okay? Okay, so let us take the verb sha'a. Sha'a is very interesting verb. It has weak letter in the middle and hamza at the end. Nothing much, don't worry. It's very simple. Sha'a means he willed. Sha'u, they willed. Shi'ta, you willed it. So after this one, you have shi'ta, shi'tu, shi'tum, shi'na. The rest is simple. Like zitta, zittum, zittum, zittu, zidna. Alright. So can you translate sha'a? He will. Sha'u, they will. Shi'ta, you will. Shi'tu, I will. Shi'tum, you all will. Na, we will. Sorry. Repeat after me 2 times. Sha'a, sha'u. Sha'a, sha'u. Sha'a, sha'u. Shi'ta, shi'tu. Shi'ta, shi'tu. Shi'ta, shi'tu. Shi'tum, shi'na. Shi'tum, shi'na. Shi'tum, shi'na. Sha'a means he willed, he wanted, he wished. All of these and convey the meanings of sha'a. Let us take spoken Arabic. Answer with yes. Everyone wills something good. So in that sense, say yes. Hal sha'a?
Naam sha'a.
Hal sha'u?
Naam sha'u.
Hal shi'ta?
Naam shi'tu.
Hal shi'tum?
Naam shi'na.
Once again, hal sha'a?
Naam sha'a.
هل شاءوا
نعم شاءوا.
هل شئت
نعم شئت.
هل شئتم
نعم شئنا.
علم. Okay, let's add an object there. هل شاء خيرا? Did he will or did he want something good? So you say نعم شاء خيرا. So just add خيرا 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 to all questions and answers. So answer me. هل شاء خيرا؟
نعم شاء خيرا.
هل شاءوا خيرا؟
نعم شاءوا خيرا.
هل شئت خيرا؟
نعم شئت خيرا.
هل شئتم خيرا؟
نعم شئنا خيرا.
Once again, هل شاء خيرا؟
نعم شاء خيرا.
هل شاءوا خيرا؟
نعم شاءوا خيرا.
هل شئت خيرا؟
نعم شئت خيرا.
هل شئتم خيرا؟
نعم شئنا خيرا.
علم. Let's take فعل مضارع now. يشاء, he wills, he wants, he wishes. So if you know يشاء, you can make the rest. يشاءون تشاء أشاء تشاءون نشاء. So this is very special. This is شاء يشاء. Okay. إلا أن يشاء الله. You will come across this in the Quran many times. So that's why we have taken this verb. يشاء, he wills. Okay. Translate. يشاء, he wills. يشاءون,
They
all
will.
تشاء,
You will.
أشاء,
I will.
تشاءون,
You all
will.
will.
نشاء,
We will.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. يشاء يشاءون.
يشاء يشاءون. يشاء يشاءون.
تشاء أشاء.
تشاء أشاء. تشاء أشاء.
تشاءون نشاء.
تشاءون نشاء. تشاءون نشاء.
Okay, with me now.
يشاء يشاءون. تشاء أشاء. تشاءون نشاء.
Once again.
يشاء يشاءون. تشاء أشاء. تشاءون نشاء.
ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. In the Quran, only Madi and Mudari forms of Sha'a are there. Therefore, we will not practice other forms here. Let's take another verb, Ja'a. Ja'a means he came. And if it is with a preposition Ja'a bi, means he came with. That means he brought. He came with something, that means he brought something. But anyway, Ja'a means he came. And in the Quran, this verb occurs only in Madi forms. Therefore, we will practice Madi forms only. And it is just like Sha'a. So, Sha'a, Sha'u, Shi'ta, Shi'tu, Shi'tum, Shi'na. Same way, Ja'a, Ja'u, Ji'ta, Ji'tu, Ji'tum, Ji'na. Can you translate? Ja'a,
He came.
Ja'u,
They came.
Ji'ta,
You came.
Ji'tu,
I came.
Ji'tum,
You all came.
Ji'na.
We came.
Repeat after me 2 times. Ja'a, Ja'u,
جاء جاءوا. جاء جاءوا.
Ji'ta, Ji'tu,
جئت جئت. جئت جئت.
Ji'tum, Ji'na.
جئتم جئنا. جئتم جئنا.
Now with me.
جاء جاءوا. جئت جئت. جئتم جئنا.
Once again.
جاء جاءوا. جئت جئت. جئتم جئنا.
MashaAllah. And when you have huwa ja'a, here ja'at, she came. So Ali. Alhamdulillah. Now memorize the table of sha'a thoroughly, the Madi and Mudari forms. I know you should be able to say it in 5 seconds. Sha'a, sha'u, shi'ta, shi'tu, shi'tum, shi'na, yasha'u, yasha'una, tasha'u, sha'u, tasha'un, nasha'u. That's very simple. And translate the sentences and answer in Arabic. Just like Sha'a, we have Khafa. Khafa means he feared. He was afraid of. Khafa, from Khawf. Khafa. Okay? So, you have to fill the table of Madi and Mudari here. Like Khafa, Khafu, Khifta, Khiftu, Khiftum, Khifna, Yakhafu, Yakhafuna, Takhafu, Akhafu. تخافون نخاف. And the Amr and Nahi, all of them are given khaf, khafu, la takhaf, la takhafu, khaif, dash, khawf is given to you. So just practice the Madi and Mudari. I will give you just once the Madi and Mudari. Repeat after me. Khafa, khafu.
Khafa, khafu.
Khifta, khiftu.
Khifta, khiftu.
Khiftum, khifna.
Khiftum, khifna.
Yakhafu, yakhafuna.
Yakhafu, yakhafuna.
Takhafu, akhafu.
Takhafu, akhafu.
تخافون نخاف.
Takhafuna, nakhafu.
And هو خاف هي
خافت.
هو يخاف هي.
Takhafu.
That's it. Try to memorize this table thoroughly. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Be a teacher. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.